Hello everyone, today's video we are going to learn on how to make a YouTube template or how to change your YouTube template if you want to change it. So first thing we are going to do is we are going to our browser, go to the Google, and we are going to go this website called free images. Okay, so let's go this website, and as you can see, discover and download free images. So let's click this here. For safety, you are going to choose the picture that is free so that you don't get in trouble in YouTube. So let's go find the nice one that we want to download. So let's try this picture if it is free. So let's see. All right, so this is free. It says here free download. It means free for commercial use, no attribution required. It means you are safe to use this picture. So we are going to download this picture, and this is 1920. Don't worry about the size because we are going to crop that when we are in the Pixart website. So download that, go download like this, and you see this arrow here. You click that arrow, click this image here, and then you see this arrow here, click that arrow and click the save image. So we are going to check this into our photos. So this is our photos. Click. So our okay, we get the this is our picture that we loaded. Now what we are going to do is we are going to go to the Pixart. So if you haven't download the Pixart app yet, so you go to your app store and then just type the Pixart photo editor and collage, and since I downloaded it already, so I open this. But I did subscribe for 1 year. It was like $59, but don't worry because this app is, if you don't subscribe, you can still use the app without subscription. Okay, let's find the Pixart here because I already uploaded it. I did already upload that. Okay, I see our it's automatic to appear here in this screen. But if you cannot see the picture that you downloaded, so you are going to go to click the all photos and then click the picture that you want, and then we are going to go to the tools crop. Okay, go to here, click this here, and then you see here there is an unblock square. These are the different kind of shapes that you want. Post on Facebook cover, post on Pinterest, and then Twitter, and then the last one is the YouTube. You click the YouTube and this is how it looks like. Okay, this is good. So click the apply, and there you go, you're ready to go. Now if you want to add the photo, so you click, and let's see, where is the photo that you want to add? Let's say you want so let's say I want to add this picture here, that picture. All right, and then you see this down here, down that, you see that it means you're going to click the add up here, click that add, and then there you go. Then you see that picture there, and you see this remove background. But you know guys, because I subscribe, so probably I get this kind of features. But if you are not subscribed, probably you cannot get this kind of features. But anyway, just in case if you are subscribed, you just click this remove background. All right, remove background. So look at that, that is beautiful. So just remove the background, and next you are going to do, if you okay, it looks like that. So you have to click to get rid of all those, and you get back here. So the text, this is the text. If you want to add a text, all right, let's do, okay, the the mountain, let's say the mountain with with vegetables, no, ito ang ano natin, this is our title, mountain with vegetables fresh. So let's see, just is an example. Okay, just click it. Okay, where is my, okay, and then just click the right here. There's a check sign here on the upper right corner. So just click it, and then you see that big words. So what you're gonna do, you can use your hand if it is a touch screen. Of course, everybody's screen now are a touch screen. So this is a touch screen. So next is you are going to, okay, don't, you have to click that so that you can see all these things out here. So it means you can edit these words and letters here. So let's go to, okay, if you like this font size, so leave it like that. But if you want to go to the styles, there's a styles, let's say star, and then love, or anything you want here. Okay, that, or you might, okay, what I like is this, I like this, so I had to do this. So the mountain with vegetable, well, I don't think it's too busy, so maybe this, all right, this, oh no, maybe I can, all right, let's see if we like this. Okay, now is you want to color it, you want to change the color. All right, if you want to change the color, go to the color, click the color, and that is how it looks like. Now it's okay, let's do this. This is a good one, or this is a good one. Okay, so let's try the red. Okay, that, just that. Then next is, if you want the highlight, I don't really like the highlight. So if you want the bend, you can do that, the bend. And if you want the stroke, you can do the stroke. Click the stroke, and you are going to choose which color you want to. Okay, with that. Okay, that's a good one. All right, that's a good one. It stands out a little bit. All right, that's a good one too. All right, I like that. I like it, but it stands out. Yeah, that's better. Okay, next we are going to do is, remember, since the YouTube has small, it's very limited, the crop on top, you are going to make it small like this, and then just make it small, just pinch it with your 2 finger, click that, and then that. So just do like that. Now is we are going to apply. Okay, right? This is the apply here. Okay, let's do the apply. Okay, and then after you do the apply, next is you are going to click here to download. Okay, I save as JPG and save. Okay, let's check it. Well, we are going to go to our photos. Oh wow, here. This is our template now. The mountain with vegetables. So now we are going to go to our YouTube. And see, the YouTube is here. So I am going to go to my your channel. So this is your channel. So this is the one that I made before, and I want to change it. All right, get ready. Okay, you see this here. This is, you can click that and then click this. See, as you see, you have to make it small in the middle. Just put it in the very center. But anyway, if it is not really if it doesn't really fit, so you can go back and edit it. So we are going to click the save, and next is we are going to this here. We can use the same picture if you want. Use, okay, this, and you are going to do just move it so then you can see it. Look at that, it's beautiful. The mountain with vegetables. Freya, what's a Freya? So that is how it looks like. It says profile picture successfully updated. So now we are going to go back, and this is how it looks like. Look at that, it's beautiful. I like it, it is beautiful. So that is how it is. It's not complicated. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for more videos notification.